Hi, I'm Yannick, and today we'll help you get your Yoco point of sale set up. Let's make sure everything is set up so you can start selling the moment you unbox your Yoco counter. Before we begin, if you're a new Yoco customer, make sure your profile is fully set up. Add your business details, link your bank account, and complete verification to enable payments. Need help? Check the description for a guide. Now, let's open the Yoco Web App to manage your business and point of sale settings. From the Business Settings tab, personalize your receipts, adjust tipping options, and set up your preferred payment methods like card or cash. Next, let's upload your product catalog. Go to the Manage tab and click on Products. You can use our CSV template to upload your whole catalog at once. Or add products one by one, including names, prices, and descriptions. Upload a thumbnail or picture. Organize them into categories or brands. Add stock alerts and customize your own variants to suit what you sell, from sides to sizes. If you have a team, setting up staff profiles is easy. Go to the Manage tab and click on Staff. Here you can create staff profiles by user type, manage permissions, and set secure pins for staff who will use the Yoco counter. Your Yoco counter will now be ready to use right out of the box.